Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can now obtain ordering tickets in Heartopia. So they did change the system of the order tickets. If you see here under resident request, you get one from the weekly request without having to kind of use the surprise gotcha eggs. I think you can still get it from the eggs. I'm not quite sure actually, but it is a guarantee you will get one every single week from completing the weekly request here, as you can see. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!